Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a full website backup in WordPress using the free UpdraftPlus plugins step by step. If you are running your WordPress website, taking regular backups is very important because if your site crashes, gets hacked, or something breaks, you can restore it easily. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and you need to go to this plugins option and click on this add plugin. And here in the search bar, type UpdraftPlus, and here you can see UpdraftPlus WP Backup and Migration plugin, and this is a plugin we need to install. Click on this install now option. After installing, click on this activate option. Here you can see on the left side you will see this option below the WordPress dashboard, UpdraftPlus option. Please to click on this option, or you can select this settings option also from here. From here you can click on this backup now option in order to backup your website. Okay, so already taken the backup on like September 16, 2025. So whenever you take backups in this website, so last two backups will be saved in this WordPress dashboard. Okay, so if you take another backup, it will be stored, but if you are taking third backup, it will not be stored. So before it's getting deleted from the database from your WordPress dashboard, you can click on all these files. You can download all these files manually into your system, and after that, whenever you want to backup on this particular date, you can upload these files and you can restore the website on that particular date. Okay, so you can select this database option, plugins option, themes option, uploads option, must use plugins, others. So here you can see you will get all this database file, plugins file. If you have to click on this download to computer, download to your computer, download to your computer, download to your computer, download to your computer, and download to your computer, and all these files will start be downloading to your system. Okay, so if you want to upload those files, you can click on this upload backup files, and you can choose those files and upload, and again those uploaded files will be visible in this backup data section. Okay, so now for example here you can see right now I'm having all these pages in my website like home page, services page, about page, news, and contact page. Okay, so what I will do, first, at this time today it's February 24th. Okay, at this time like 8:24. So I will back up now. Okay, now later by mistake if you have deleted any sections or if you have deleted any pages in your website, you can restore them by using this backup restore plugin, this UpdraftPlus backup plugin. Okay, I will show you how to restore those files. Okay, right now I will take a backup now. Okay, let me click on backup and click on this backup option. Now it starts taking backup of your website. So it will take hardly like 1 or 2 minutes to backup your entire website. And here you can see the backup has finished running. So let me click on close. And here you can see I have taken the backup. Now it's like 8:25 it is showing the time. Okay. Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant, and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. So now what I will do, so let me go to this pages section in my website. I will delete few pages and few content from my website. Okay, so let me click on this all, bulk caption, move to trash. Let me deselect few pages, like let me deselect this front page, home front page. Okay, let me delete all the remaining pages. Click on move to trash option, click on apply, and I will delete all the pages. Go to trash option and please do select all this option, click on delete permanently, click on apply. Now here you can see I have deleted all the pages. Okay, if I refresh this page, here you can see I'm having like these 5 pages in my website. If I refresh this page, only home page will be visible, remaining all pages will be deleted. Okay, here you can see I have deleted all the remaining pages. Okay, now what I will do, if you delete any pages or any plugins or any content or media from your website, if you backed up your website, again you can go to this UpdraftPlus plugin. Okay, and here you can see this is the February 24th. Now it is 8:24 and now the time is 8:27. Okay, at 8:25 I'm having all the pages in my website, but now 8:27, here you can see if I refresh the page for 8:27 here, now I am having only one page, home page, and remaining pages I have deleted. So if I want to restore my entire website again, you have to click on this restore option. Okay, and you have to select all the options. I want to restore everything and click on next, and here you have to click on this restore option. Oh sorry, I have to delete the previous folders. I didn't delete. Click on this delete old folders. Okay, yeah, let me go to UpdraftPlus and click on this restore option. I want the 8:25 February 24th. Click on restore option. Please just select all these options. Click on next. You will not get options like delete old files because previously I have backed up to a few more times, like 2-3 times. That's the reason I have to delete that previous files. So now after you get this option, click on this restore option, and now UpdraftPlus will work restoring my website previously how it is. Okay, previous I'm having like 5 pages, now I'm having only home page. So it will take like 1 or 2 minutes to backup of to restore our website. And here you can see it has restored my website successfully. Click on this return to WordPress configuration, and you can click on this delete old folders option because it will delete old folders after successfully backed up your website. Okay, now click on this return to WordPress configuration. Here you can see I'm having like 2 backups. Now if I visit my website here, let me click on this refresh option and all the remaining pages will be restored. Okay, so here you can see now home page, services page, about page and contact page, all the pages have been restored. If I go to this pages option, let me click on this all pages option. Here you can see all these pages have been restored in my website. Okay, and that's how you can back up your website by using this WordPress plugin. Like if you want to like premium features, like if you want to back up your website daily, and if you want to migrate your website, and if you want to increase the backup storage, you can upgrade to premium version by using this WordPress premium version. Okay, if you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video, it will help you. Thank you.